In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam game icons missing. If your library is showing blank or generic icons, it usually comes down to a temporary glitch, a small corrupted file related to a game, or an outdated cache. We'll walk through 3 simple fixes, starting from the quickest and moving toward a deeper clean, and I'll explain what each one does so you know why it helps. First, fully close and relaunch Steam. Don't just click the X on the window, go to the top left Steam menu and choose Exit. This makes sure Steam actually shuts down instead of running in the background. Give it a brief moment to close, then relaunch it from your Start menu or your desktop shortcut. This refresh alone often reloads the image resources that power your library view and can instantly restore missing icons. After it opens, take a look at your library to see if those icons are back. If some are still missing, move on to verifying the affected game's files. In your Steam library, right-click the game with the missing icon, choose Properties, then open the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game's files and fix anything that's corrupted or incomplete, including small assets that can influence icons and artwork. This process can take a few minutes depending on your drive speed and the size of the game, and you might see it reacquire a handful of files. When it finishes, close the windows, then restart Steam to apply the changes and check your library again. If the issue persists, clear Steam's cache by removing the App Cache folder. Open File Explorer, go to your C drive, open Program Files x86, then open the Steam folder. Find the folder named App Cache, select it, and delete it. Don't worry, this folder just stores temporary data, and Steam will rebuild it automatically the next time you launch. Be careful to delete only the App Cache folder and nothing else. Now restart Steam. On the first launch, it may take a moment to rebuild its cache, but once it's done, your game icons should repopulate cleanly. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.